Hey there. Can't find your debit card or want to prevent new purchases while you look? Locking or unlocking your Bank of America debit card takes seconds in the app and gives you instant control. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open the Bank of America mobile app, select your checking account, and find your debit card details. Look for the option to lock and unlock card. Tap it to lock. Immediately, the card will be declined for new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Recurring bills already set up may still go through. When you find the card or want to use it again, simply toggle the lock off. My crucial pro tip? Use this feature proactively for security. When you're not using your debit card, like during a stretch at home or while traveling internationally, keep it locked. Unlock it only when you need to use an ATM or make a purchase. It's a powerful deterrent against fraud. That's proactive security that puts you in complete control. Have you ever used the card lock feature? What was the situation? Share your story below. For more quick and smart security tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.